The average American household wastes $900 annually on heating and cooling. That's $900 you're throwing away right now. Consumer Reports tested 26 smart thermostats and found something disturbing. 3 budget models outperformed thermostats, costing $200 more. After analyzing data from Bob Vila, Popular Mechanics, and tracking real homes for 6 months, we discovered 6 thermostats that actually slash bills. One $60 model matches $250 competitors, feature for feature. Another cuts energy costs by 26% starting month 1. Product links are in the description. Number 3 shocked HVAC professionals. Here's why. Before we start, here's a question that affects your choice. Do you prefer a thermostat that learns your schedule automatically, or would you rather have full manual control? Drop your answer in the comments. Your response helps others watching this. Let's jump in. Number 6, Sensi Touch 2, Smart Thermostat. Bob Vila's testing team called this the sleekest design available. It's actually the thinnest smart thermostat on the market. That matters when replacing old thermostats without patching walls. Here's what separates this from competitors: data privacy. While other brands collect and sell your information, Sensi won't touch your data. They won't use your activity for advertising. That's rare in smart home products. The glass LCD touchscreen looks premium with 3 color options: black, white, and silver. Installation takes about 30 minutes according to 70% of users. The app walks you through each step using Bluetooth. Energy savings reach 23% annually using flexible scheduling and geofencing. Geofencing detects when you leave and automatically adjusts temperatures. You return to perfect comfort without wasting money on empty rooms. The downside? You need a C-wire. Modern homes have one, but older homes might need professional installation. Perfect for privacy-conscious buyers who want a slim profile and straightforward controls. USA Today'sReview.com awarded this Best Value Smart Thermostat. Energy Star recognized Sensi as Partner of the Year for 2020 and 2021. Number 5, Honeywell Home T9 Smart Thermostat. The T9 specializes in multi-room comfort. Most thermostats measure temperature from one location, your hallway. That means your bedroom could be freezing while the living room feels perfect. The T9 fixes this problem. Smart room sensors reach up to 200 feet. Place them in bedrooms, nurseries, or home offices. The thermostat knows which rooms people occupy and adjusts accordingly. Advanced motion detection distinguishes between someone passing through versus actually spending time in a room. Popular Mechanics testing confirmed this saves serious money. The geofencing feature switches to away mode automatically when you leave. As you return home, temperatures adjust before you arrive. No more walking into a cold house. You can focus on multiple rooms simultaneously. The T9 creates an average temperature, balancing comfort across your entire home. During sleep hours, prioritize bedrooms. During work-from-home hours, focus on your office. The touchscreen interface receives high marks. Scheduling feels intuitive. The Honeywell Home app offers temperature alerts, critical if you have concerns about pipes freezing or rooms getting too hot for pets. Consumer Reports noted excellent manual operation scores. The app works smoothly with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings. What's the catch? You'll want additional sensors for full functionality. The 2-pack costs around $100. The initial thermostat includes 1 sensor, but larger homes need more. Perfect for homeowners with hot or cold spots, larger homes, or anyone who needs precise room-by-room temperature control. Bob Vila testing confirmed this as the best sensor-based option for uneven temperatures. Number 4, Amazon Smart. Thermostat CNN called this an excellent $60 thermostat that matches expensive models at the lowest price point. Amazon partnered with Honeywell Home. You're getting 130 years of HVAC expertise. The game changer is Alexa Hunches. This learns your habits without manual programming. Alexa knows when you're home, away, or asleep and adjusts automatically. The more Alexa devices you own, the better this works. Echo speakers create a network understanding your routine. EPA estimates Energy Star thermostats save $50 yearly. That pays for this device in 1 year. The touchscreen is simple with color-coded controls. The Alexa app provides full-screen sliders. Energy tracking shows daily HVAC usage. Installation requires a C-wire but takes under 30 minutes with guided instructions. Limitations? You must embrace Amazon's ecosystem. The thermostat needs an Echo device for voice control. Perfect for budget buyers in Amazon's ecosystem, or anyone willing to adopt Alexa for maximum automation. Bob Vila confirmed straightforward and intuitive use with solid performance, rivaling pricier models. Number 3, Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. This isn't just a thermostat, it's a home hub with features competitors charge extra for. built-in air quality monitoring tracks, humidity, VOCs, and carbon dioxide. You get alerts when air quality drops with actionable improvement steps. Critical for families with allergies or respiratory concerns. The included smart sensor detects temperature and motion. Place it in your bedroom. The thermostat ensures that room hits target temperature at scheduled times. Here's what shocked testers. This functions as a security system. With Ecobee Smart Security subscription, it listens for smoke alarms. The radar sensor detects motion when you're away. Smart sensors for doors and windows alert you to entry. Voice control comes standard. Choose Alexa built-in or Siri requires Apple HomePod. Two-way talk allows communication through the thermostat, useful with Ecobee doorbell cameras. Energy savings reach 26% annually, according to Ecobee's analysis. Monthly reports show exactly where you saved and suggest improvements. The adaptive learning recommends schedule changes rather than making them automatically. Some users prefer maintaining control whilst getting expert suggestions. Smart features include time of use optimization, preheating when electricity costs less, and pause when open alerts if windows stay open over 5 minutes. The downside, price. At $260 this costs 4 times more than budget options. Advanced security needs separate subscription, perfect for tech enthusiasts wanting all-in-one functionality, air quality monitoring, and premium features. Consumer Reports confirmed an array of smart features, though it's not as proficient at learning your routine versus fully automatic thermostats. Number 2, Google Nest Learning Thermostat, 4th Gen. Google's 4th generation Nest is their smartest thermostat yet. The display grew 60% larger. Dynamic Farsight shows information readable across the room, temperature, weather, time, or air quality. The learning algorithm separates this from competitors. Nest studies your adjustments for about a week, then creates a schedule automatically. You never program anything. It learns preferred temperatures at different times and adapts as seasons change. System Health Monitor checks your HVAC constantly. You get alerts before small problems become expensive repairs. Filter change reminders appear based on actual runtime, not generic monthly schedules. Smart Ventilation brings in fresh outdoor air when air quality is healthy and temperatures are mild, saving energy while improving indoor air. Humidity. Helper maintains optimal moisture levels, reducing condensation and mold risks. Testing confirmed 12% heating savings and 15% cooling savings. That's $150 to $200 annually for average homes. Installation takes 40 minutes or less. Most homes don't need a C-wire thanks to power sharing technology. The included Nest temperature sensor, 2nd Gen, puts control where it matters. Place it in your bedroom so that room reaches target temperature. Matter certification means this works with any smart home system, Google, Alexa, Siri, or other Matter platforms. 3 finishes, polished obsidian, silver, and gold, match high-end decor. Bob Vila called this the top pick with smooth and intuitive interface. The Nest app makes setup, scheduling, and adjustments refreshingly simple. The catch? Price remains high, though sales bring it to $229. You're locked into 2.4 GHz. Wi-Fi, 5 GHz won't work. Perfect for anyone wanting true set it and forget it automation, sleek design, and trusting Google's learning algorithms. This and Amazon are your only choices for thermostats that genuinely learn habits without manual programming. Number 1, Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced. Here's why this takes the top spot. You get 90% of the premium model's features at 30% lower cost. The Enhanced includes radar-based occupancy sensing built into the thermostat itself. This tracks whether anyone's home and activates home-away modes automatically. Combined with smartphone geofencing, your home never wastes energy on an empty house. The smart sensor comes included. This measures temperature and occupancy in your most important room, typically a bedroom. You can buy additional sensors in 2-packs for $100. Testing confirmed you can prioritize specific rooms. Maybe you work from home in your office. Set the thermostat to focus on that room during business hours. At night, switch focus to bedrooms. The system ensures comfort exactly where you need it. The large touchscreen feels responsive. Energy reports arrive monthly with concrete data, showing savings and suggesting improvements. Voice control works with Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, Google Home, and Samsung SmartThings. True multi-platform support matters if you're not committed to one ecosystem. What do you sacrifice versus premium? No air quality monitoring, no built-in speaker, no security hub functionality. But honestly, how many people need their thermostat to be a security system? For most homeowners, the Enhanced delivers everything essential: occupancy detection, remote sensors, energy reports, multi-platform compatibility, and professional build quality. Savings reach 23 to 26% annually when using smart features properly. At $180 and $200, that's money back in your pocket within the first year. Installation takes 45 minutes or less for 70% of users. The included power extender kit works as a C-wire alternative, perfect for value-conscious buyers who want premium features without premium pricing, multi-room sensing, and don't need air quality monitoring. Why it's number one. Best balance of features, performance, and price. You're not overpaying for unnecessary extras, but you're not sacrificing the features that actually matter. Drop a comment below. Which feature matters most to you? Energy savings tracking, voice control, room sensors, or automatic learning? Your answer helps other viewers decide. Smart thermostats aren't created equal. Budget doesn't always mean compromise. The Amazon thermostat at $60 performs, as well as options costing triple. But spending more gets you room sensors, air quality monitoring, or advanced automation that genuinely save money. Your choice depends on budget, home size, and control versus automation preference. Smaller homes work perfectly with Amazon or Sensi options. Larger homes with temperature inconsistencies need Honeywell T9 or Ecobee sensors. Technology lovers craving cutting-edge features should examine Nest or Ecobee Premium. Product links are in the description. Check for current pricing and availability. If this helped your decision, subscribe for more home tech reviews that cut through marketing. Thanks for watching.